All right, good morning. It's about 7:30. We are in Texas today. We are in Texas. Down with the Pittman crew. Gonna get on some big bass today. Brian's me and Brian best friends from 20 years ago. I decided to fly down and check out this nice boat he has. $70,000 bass boat. $70,000 bass boat. It's Johnny Quest Adventures. Yes, sir. What lake is this, Brian?
Lake Decker.
Lake Decker.
Small Texas power plant.
All right. All right, Brian. What kind of fish we getting into today, boss?
Hopefully some big largemouth and some stripers.
There we go. All right. It's my first time.
Yes.
It's first time on a boat that runs about 80. Yes, sir. All right. Let's roll, baby. Got some fellow fishermen beside us. Everybody's waiting on these videos, Brian. Yes, sir. See what this Yamaha do now. They gonna blow my headset off, is it, Brian?
It might. Look at the tires on the bottom.
Wow. People throwing tires in the water?
Yeah.
Get out of
old
here.
used car tires laying down there.
Oh, okay. All right. Here we go. That's a jack plate?
Yep.
Okay. I'm
Yes,
ready,
sir.
Pitt.
Get out this buoy. Gone.
As soon as you hit that buoy marker right there.
We're out of here.
All right.